Nan, Babo Kabalin. Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Lacandula Street, San Jose, Angeles City, and we are featuring this. If you want to know more about this food hub that is from Baguio City, be with us in this video.
So tara, let's go!
This is the place. Earlier, nakakuha na kami ng mga photo shoot and b-rolls ng mga food items natin for today. So, this is Maxbox. So, kung alumni ka ng SLU, for sure, kilang-kilala mo daw tong Maxbox na to. So, it has been in the industry for a very long time. I think it's almost 2 decades na, if I'm not mistaken.
Kumbaga, ito nag-starts from Baguio. Ngayon, nasa Pampanga na, even Tarlac.
Even in Tarlac. So, more about the products. Be with us. Tara! Alright, so this is it. This is our table. If you notice, guys, the setup here is, of course, pang new normal setup muna tayo. So right now, our owners are encouraging us to taste these kinds of food through our order and delivery apps. So available po sila dito. There you go. So right now, we have a number of categories for their mga rice in a box. No? So we have chicken, beef, pork, seafood. So siguro, let's name them one by one so that kapag order na po kayo sa mga ordering app ninyo, you know what to find. Just to mention as well, no? So these are gourmet rice.
So kumbaga, rice pa lang flavored na.
Let's start with their special. So
Yes.
this one is their special, Maxbox special. It has everything in it, the meat. So may chorizo, may ham, may egg.
So, yung mga available flavor nila from their Maxbox Special.
Ayan.
Meron din silang Taco Loco.
So this is their Mexican style naman for their rice in a box.
Yes. So, meron din silang beef biryani, beef steak.
Beef steak.
It's a Pinoy style beef steak.
Pinoy style beef steak, okay?
Ito yung sisig nila.
So this is the Sisig. Just a disclaimer, no? So this Maxbox is very popular up north, especially sa Baguio, sa Benguet, Dagupan, and Tarlac. So each place has variations for their, kumbaga, kung ano yung nakasanayan nila. So this one has egg.
So meron din silang KKK.
If you're an alumni of SLU, for sure you're gonna recognize this one. If you're missing Maxbox, guys, this is available dito sa Angeles City.
So other term pala doon sa KKK is sa Thai Bagoong rice.
Thai Bagoong rice.
So meron din tayo Aligue.
Aligue, which is their seafood variant naman.
Then yung beef. Next naman is yung mga sa chickens natin.
Mga chicken,
so meron
yeah.
tayong ChixMix. Yan.
So you have your basil. Of course, the chicken is mixed all throughout in the box, no?
Plus natin is yung chicken teriyaki.
Like I said earlier, ang lawak ng variation of taste nila and flavor. So, from Oriental, from Thai, Indian, Mexican, and of course, mga Filipino dishes. If you're craving for those kind of tastes, they're available here. Alam mo, Mark, imagine for a combo of an iced tea and yung
Maxbox nila.
rice in a box natin, it's just 120 pesos.
Yes. And for milk tea naman is 135 pesos.
135 pesos. Okay, so right now we're gonna taste them. I'm gonna try this teriyaki. Wow!
So titikman ko naman yung kanilang beef steak.
So, take note guys, no, dun sa chicken teriyaki nila. So, of course, it has sesame seed at the top. And then yung chicken actually is more of like a shredded na. So, you won't get that really parang mga chunky na chicken. Which, I think this is, kumbaga, more on the go yung mga ganitong pagkain.
Yes. Yung beef steak nila, actually, I appreciate it because it's a Pinoy style beef steak. So, malalasahan mo talaga yung lasa ng onion, yung beef itself. At the same time, yung lasa ng gourmet rice nila.
Yeah. I think for me, no, one box is really huge for single serving. I think this is equivalent to around 2 cups of rice. So, this is really huge. Alright, so next to taste, guys, we're gonna test kanilang sisig. And yours naman is?
Ako naman yung very famous nilang KKK.
KKK, yeah, okay.
Actually, yung KKK nila, it has a mango itself. Ayan.
Yeah. So of course, kapag may bagoong, terternuhin talaga yun ng mango, no? For me, yung sisig nila, so every spoon, every serving nyo dun sa spoon has every flavor, no? So This one is a little bit sour, I think, because of the calamansi, mga ganyan. It also has yung saltiness ng soy sauce. Meron tayong mga bits ng mga sisig meat natin.
So ngayon ko lang na-realize kung bakit sikat yung KKK sa SLU. It is because nagko-complement lahat from the mango itself, yung rice nila, ang sarap. Nice!
On a normal dining setup, you can actually unfold yung kanilang box. Ang ganda ng setup nila. So this is their taco loco. This is Mexican.
So akin naman yung beef biryani nila. From Mexican to Indian naman.
Yes. Amazing. So for the Mexican, it has a lot of cheese at the top. You get to have your usual taco ingredients like the lettuce, the cheese, yung spices. Yeah, this is really interesting.
So yung beef biryani nila, lasang-lasa mo yung curry. At the same time, yung lasa ng beef, it complements. Actually, ito yung mga rice in a box na unexpected yung lasa.
Unexpected, it's very surprising na from these kinds of very affordable rice in the box meals, you can get to taste a different kinds of flavors. All in all, I am really amazed and surprised sa mga lasa nila considering that it's just 79 pesos per box. This is really affordable and you get your money worth back.
Yes.
Now, add up ka pa ng mga iced tea nila and milk tea. For the iced tea, it's just gonna be 120.
And for the milk tea, it's 135 pesos.
Grabe. So, for example, if you are studying at home, if you are working in the office and you are in a hurry, hindi ka nakapagbaon, I think this is gonna be your alternative.
Yes.
Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Share it with your friends.
If you want to experience the way we experience it, it's really surprising and amazing, you know. So make sure to share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up. And guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. This is Maxbox Angeles City.
That's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.